Hello guys, my name is Sir Ahmed and today I'm going to show you how to make the best mini cheesecake recipe. Start by adding 16 Lotus cookies in a food processor. Then add 1/4 cup of melted butter. Chop until it looks like wet sand. Put about 1 tablespoon in each cupcake paper. Then press each of them hard. Bake this for 5 minutes. In a bowl, add 500 grams of cream cheese, 150 grams of sour cream, two large eggs or 3 small ones. One teaspoon of vanilla. And 3/4 cup of sugar. Mix this well. Pour evenly into each cupcake paper. Bake this for 15 to 18 minutes. Leave them in the oven until they reach room temperature. Decorate each mini cheesecake with some lotus spread or strawberry jam or caramel. And add some whipped cream on top. I hope you guys like this recipe. Please like and subscribe. Bye! Bye!